My nickname, short name is Shantu Patel. I came here for 10 days treatment at Sri Sri Tattva Panchkarma. I was supposed to be here for 10 days, but then I extended for 3 days, and I have a very, very great experience of my life. I cure my 3 problems, which I am going to be explained in detail now. We decided to stay here for the treatment for 10 days something. I paid for 10 days and then I stayed for 13 days. After 10 years, I just want to do this because I'm a patient of BP, and there was a 3 experience in this treatment. One is a really amazing experience in my life, like how our mantra, our treatment, our Ayurvedic system is working. I have read something, lot of things, but this is my own experience. Let me share you that in detail a little bit. I was vomiting for 25 years because of my pit. Every week I have to throw up twice a week, and until I don't throw up, it never go my pain for pit. Even though if I take any medicine, it didn't work. Here I came and the same thing happened. I took medicine but didn't work out, and still I had a lot of pain because of pit. I was under treatment of oil massage and something, and I told the guy, you have to stop because I cannot bear this pain now. He asked me, what is the problem? I said, I have a very bad headache. He just said, sir, just give me 5-10 minutes, let me finish up your oil massage, and then we are going for murmur treatment. So I know the murmur treatment because I took twice before. And he said very quietly, very confidently that, if we do murmur, your pain is gonna go, headache is gonna go away. I said, okay, let's try. Because I'm a witness of myself, my body, my problem for many years. So I know that it's not gonna go away. But you won't believe it. He started the murmur treatment, and he was deeply just downing into his treatment. I can feel that the way he was just focused on his own treatment system or work. And in murmur treatment, my headache gone right away. This is my first experience in my life. Without medication, my headache is never gonna go away. But really, I'm appreciate, and I have a very proud of our ancient system. And this is murmur. Then I asked, what is this system murmur? Then he said there are chakras, and we just focus on your chakra. We touch your chakra, and that's the reason you just now calm. The second experience is I'm from USA. In last 2-3 months back, I spent like $500-$600 for my neck problem, and my shoulder is very stiff, like a severe stiffness on the shoulder. I could not move my neck more than 45 degrees, and I spent $600. After treatment, there was no cure, there was no result. Here I came and I asked doctor, and I was just consulting first day, and I told him my problem. He said, don't worry, let it be your treatment done. You will be done with this problem. And I was surprised. In 10 days treatment, he said, don't worry, just go for the treatment. You see the result, it's gonna go away. Your stress gonna go away, and your stiffness is gonna go away. With the treatment, you won't believe it. I can turn my neck, I can turn like this, look, easily, which I could turn up to here. And that is my big benefit, what I have experienced here in this treatment. And the third thing, I'm taking BP tablets, allopathy, since 5 years almost. But I'm here for 13 days treatment. I was admitted for 10 days, then extended 3 days, and I stayed 13 days. Since 15 days, I didn't take any BP medicine, and doctor was checking up every day. The first time it was 140, 145, 90, and eventually it came to 120, 80. I have seen the bunch of in kgs. I have taken the tablets. Here I took only 12 tablets in the 14 days, and it's a great achievement. I'm very obliged. I will definitely speak to the people. I will share my experience, and the people will, definitely believe it. Thank you.